Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up and use XChat encrypted messaging feature. So let's get started. First, make sure that your X app is having the latest update. So if it doesn't have, all you need to do is to click update like me in this case. After that, click open. Once you're signed in, open the messages or chat section, this one here on the bottom right corner. If this is your first time using the encrypted chat feature, you will be promoted to set it up. Follow the on-screen instruction and create a secure PIN code to protect your encrypted chat. So click create passcode. I will create one here, then you need to confirm it. Once setup is completed, you can start a new conversation by typing the compose button here and searching for the person you want to message. Type your message and send it as usual. If encryption is activated, you will typically see a log symbol or another indicator showing that the conversation is protected. You can also share photos, file, and other attachments directly through the chat. Some accounts may also have access to secure audio and video calling feature within encrypted conversation. Remember to keep your PIN safe as it may be required when accessing encrypted chats on new devices. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.